and here I'm with the new educational video based on the week 4 assignment answer of Principle of Management course of SWAYAM NPTEL, and the deadline of submission of assignment is basically 22 Feb 2023. So here I am providing you the probable answers of assignment number 4. So before I start this video, I just want to say that if you are new on the channel, then just click on the subscribe icon and subscribe the channel first, and also click on the bell icon to get more and more alerts in advance. So we just start with the questions which is related to week 4 assignment of Principle of Management. Here you can see some answers. First one is, which of the following is not a technique of assessing the environment? Answer is profit and loss statement. Other three categories related to environmental scanning, scenario planning and forecasting are related to techniques of assessing the environment. Second question, there is a statement 1 and 2 is given. Statement 1 is saying that forecasting means prediction of outcomes, and statement 2 is saying that forecasting creates a foundation for environmental scanning. And the answer is B. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Now just proceed to the third main question. Qualitative methods of forecasting are used when, and the option are, the management doesn't have precise data. And so we have answer number 1, that qualitative methods of forecasting are used when the management does not have precise data. Suppose अगर management के पास में कोई particular data नहीं है regarding the quantitative terms, तब हम use करते हैं qualitative methods को किसी भी forecasting के अंदर. Fourth question, which of the following technique can be used to determine next quarter's revenue on the basis of last 5 years revenue? पिछले 5 सालों के revenue के basis पे नेक्स्ट अगर हमें क्वार्टर की रेवेन्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है तो उसके लिए कौन सी टेक्निक का यूज किया जाता है? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड टाइम सीरीज एनालिसिस. आंसर आपका होगा टाइम सीरीज एनालिसिस. फिफ्थ मेन क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट कम इन द एम्बिट ऑफ HR प्लानिंग? ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्लानिंग का कौन सा पार्ट नहीं है? सो ऑपरेशनल प्लानिंग इज़ वेरी क्लियर. सो ऑपरेशनल प्लानिंग आपका पार्ट नहीं है ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्लानिंग से रिलेटेड. Sixth main question, which of the following method use structure iterative process to forecast something? Structured process को जो include नहीं करता है forecast से related, वो कौन सा method है? यहाँ आंसर आपका होगा डेल्फी मेथड. डेल्फी एक ज्यूरी मेथड होता है जिसमें कि पैनल बैठता है किसी भी पर्टिकुलर डिसीजन को लेने से रिलेटेड. सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन इज, which of the following is best described by the sentence keeping the best practice in view and learning from it? So answer is benchmarking. Question number 8, rupees 4 lakh is expected to be spent on repairs for factory floor this year. This statement is most likely arrived at using this which technique? सो ये स्टेटमेंट जो आपको है कि 4 लाख का आपने स्पेंड किया है उसके ऊपर रिपेयर्स के ऊपर, तो उसमें किस टाइप की ये आपका स्टेटमेंट है? तो ये बजटिंग का एक स्टेटमेंट है. नाउ द नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टेक्निक्स ऑफ शेड्यूलिंग इज यूज्ड इफ द एक्टिविटीज़ आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन ईच अदर? एक्टिविटीज़ एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होकर जो डायग्राम बनता है वो कौन सा कहलाता है? पर्ट. आपका आंसर होगा पर्ट. And the last question, considering some situation to hit business in near future and planning response for such situations is called scenario planning. 10th का आंसर है A, scenario planning. So now you have to just submit your answer and click on the submit button, और आपके यहाँ पे जितना भी आपका V4 का जो असाइनमेंट है वो सबमिट होगा. So this is all about the